Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Reciprocal promises. Reciprocal promises means both parties have some obligation to do. Both parties have promised to do something as per contract. Reciprocal promises form the consideration between promiser and the promisee. For example, A promises to do or not to do something in consideration of B's promise to do or not to do something. Normally, majority of the agreements, contracts constitute reciprocal promises. According to sequence of execution of performance, reciprocal promises may be classified as follows. Mutual and independent reciprocal promise. When each party performs his promise independently and irrespective of the fact whether the other party has performed or willing to perform his promise or not, the promises are mutual and independent. Example, A and B contracts that A would deliver him a book and B would deliver him the class note. In this case, the promises are mutual and independent. Both of them have to perform without the regard of others' performance. Conditional and dependent reciprocal promise. When the performance of a promise by one party depends upon the prior permission of other party, it will be called as conditional and dependent promise. A and B contract that A shall deliver goods and B would pay after delivery. B need not pay until A delivers. Mutual and concurrent or simultaneous reciprocal promise. When two contracts are to be performed simultaneously, then it is called as mutual and concurrent or simultaneous reciprocal promise. A and B contract that A shall deliver goods and B would pay on delivery. A should perform their obligations. A and B should perform their obligations simultaneously. Performance of reciprocal promise. The following rules apply for performance of reciprocal promise. Simultaneous performance. When the reciprocal promise is to be simultaneously performed, the promiser need not perform his promise unless promisee is ready to perform his reciprocal promise. A and B contract that A shall deliver goods and B would pay on delivery. A need not deliver the goods unless B is ready and willing to pay for the goods on delivery. B need not pay for the goods unless A is ready and willing to deliver on payment. Sequenced performance. If the sequence of performance is expressly fixed by the contract, they must be performed in that order. Otherwise, they must be performed as per normal rules. A and B contract that A shall build a water tank and B will pay after construction is complete. So A must build the tank first before he demands payment from B. Performance prevented. If one party to the contract prevents the other from performing, the contract becomes voidable at the option of the party so prevented. Further, the party so prevented is entitled to compensation from the other party for any loss which he may sustain in consequence of the non-performance of the contract. Where the contract is such that one party say first party, cannot perform till the other, say second party, does not perform. The second party cannot claim performance from first party, and the second party must compensate the first party for loss suffered due to non-performance. Example, A and B contract that it shall execute certain work for A for rupees 1000. B is ready and willing to execute the work, but A prevents him from doing so. B may rescind the contract and may recover the loss suffered from A. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.